Hello everyone, friends. On the Today channel, I will show you how to log into iCloud without a phone number. Go to any browser. Right here, respectively, iCloud, yes, oh, and click enter. Here, click login, and accordingly write here instead of a phone number the email address that is linked to our Apple ID. Well, for example, I'll take my own specially prepared Apple ID for the video. Click next. Accordingly, enter the password here. Remember which one and click enter. That's it. Well, your device where you are logged in is prompted yes to log in. That's about... I'm going to show you what it looks like. Well, that's what it looks like in short. That's it. Here you will need to click on the accept button here and enter the code. After entering the code, choose whether to trust this browser or not. I'll click don't trust. Well, I logged into my account. That's all. Edler was with you. Goodbye, everyone.